How to log into your Koodo account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Koodo login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, koodomobile.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. First, you have to select if you are a monthly customer or prepaid customer. I'm the monthly customer. After you select it, now you have to provide your credentials of Koodo account. So go ahead and type in your email address. In the case you have forgotten your email address, click on the option of forgot to recover it. Then type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option of forgot to recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register now and you can create your Koodo account. Once you fill this, click on login, and just with that you will be logged into your Koodo account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Koodo account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.